What's up, YouTube? We've got some Vietnam era helicopters here for you. This first one here is the, I keep wanting to say Apache, but it's the Cobra. This is a series helicopter here. It's got like a, it'll go about 220 miles an hour. It's got all kinds of heavy artillery on it. I think it's like a 20-inch cannon, 20-millimeter cannon, 2.75-inch rocket pod. And it's got a missile launcher too. You got the whole board here. You can pause it and look at that if you'd like. It's mainly used by the Army, I think. I think the Forest Service might use it too for spotting out forest fires. But that's it for this one, guys. This helicopter we're looking at now, I don't know much at all. I mean, I know nothing about it. There's no plaque or anything for me to tell you any information about it. Hopefully one of you guys might know something about it. So if you leave a comment or something, I'll probably just add you right into the description. That'd be much appreciated. It's a bigger airplane, so I'm guessing it's more for transport. Looks like it could hold 4 or 5 people. Jet power, 2 rotors. You can see the jet engine's actually out. I don't know why. I don't know if they're working on it or what the deal with that is. Listening now, you can hear the birds up inside there. They're real quiet. You might be able to hear them.
Hear 'em? What? There's a bird's nest in there. Are you serious? What? Hear them chirping? Stand next to that vent and listen.
Hope you can. Well, either way, that's always a big problem with airplanes. Birds getting inside, all kinds of stuff. If you look over here, you can see the windows, they're all frosted up real bad. So I don't know if they painted them that way so it didn't fade or if that's just from age. But what I'm going to try and do, you see the hole in there, I'm going to get a better look for you. Looking inside here, it looks like there's bird stuff all over. That's a shame, but everything looks like it might be there to a certain degree. But that's neat. I always like looking inside old helicopters like that. This helicopter here is the, I think it's made by Hughes. I think it's called like the Loach or something, or that was the nickname for like low observation aircraft, something like that. You have to look that one up. 4 blades, jet powered. I think it would do like 120 miles an hour or 140, something like that. But it's a neat looking helicopter. I always like the ones that look like that. If I were to get a helicopter personally, I'd get one that looked like that. I just think they're neat. That's about it. We're coming up on the here you go. You can pause the screen and read this, and I'll tell you all about it. It was mainly for observation, like maybe 3 people, pilot and the 2 observers. I'm sure they did photography and all kinds of stuff like that. I had some small artillery on it, but not a whole lot. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed. That's about all I got for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks.